How to turn on typing indicator on Instagram. Here is how to ensure the typing indicator is visible for you and others. So first of all, let's simply open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram app, let's simply tap on the message icon available at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the conversation section. Now here, scroll down and tap on the conversation you want to turn on the typing indicator off. Then once you tap on the conversation, all you have to do is tap on the profile name of that person at the top. And once you tap on it, tap on the privacy and safety option available there. Then inside privacy and safety, you will get to see typing indicator option available there. Make sure to toggle the switch on. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.